Hi and hello everyone. Welcome to our free online courses of AutoCAD Electrical Training, Lesson 6, Schematic Editing and Panel Report. To prepare reports of component being used in AutoCAD Electrical, we can use report. Here you can go to Report text under Schematic Panel, click on Reports. By using this report, you can easily extract all information and saving more time. Here under report name, we have a lot of different type of standard report. We have bill of materials, missing bills of materials, components, and so on. I will select on bill of materials and select on project. Category schematic, include option, I will select all of the below. Display option, I will select normal tel format. I will select on fashion project database. Installation code to extract, select all. Location code to extract, select all. Then you can click OK. And now for select drawing to process, our drawing is AEGS02. Just click on the AEGS02.wg, then click process. After that, you can click on the drawing and click OK. Now, report generator dialog box is put out. We can add time or date, title lines, project lines, also column labels. Here, edit mode button, you can click on it to edit data in the reports. Just click on this edit button and you can edit the text name, quantities, catalogs, and so on. But for this one, I'm not gonna edit this and I will just click cancel, then click cancel, return to report. And now we have a few options here. We have put on drawing, save to file, prints. For this one, I will click put on drawing. For table generation setup, I will just leave it as default and then you can click OK. Here, I will put this report outside the title block. Just click on the drawing, then you can click close. As you can see, this is our report. Next, I will share how to use component report. Again, you can go to report tabs here. Under schematic panel, you can go click reports. Here, you can select on components and select on project, category schematic, option select on include components, cable marker, connectors. Also select on fashion project database checkbox. Installation code to extract, select all. Location code to extract, select all. Then you can click OK. Select drawing to process. Our drawing now is AEGS03. Click on AEGS03.wg. Then you can click process. After that, click on that drawing and click OK. Here, report generator, you can add time or date, title lines, project lines, column labels. Also, you can select breaks. You can select add page break or special break. But for this one, I'm not gonna select these two. Here, we have sort button. When you click this button, you can select primary sort, secondary sort, third sort, and fourth sort. Also, we have a few options here. We have alphanumeric sort order and others. But for this one, I'm not gonna change it. I will just click cancel. Here, we also have change report format. When we click change report format button, we can add and remove data fields of the report. Here, of the example, when we want to add this item, we just click on it and it will automatically add on the report. And if we want to remove, we just click on this and click remove button. Other than that, we also have option to arrange the planes. Just use this move up and move down button to arrange the place of the report. Then you can click OK. But this one, I'm not gonna change. I will just click cancel. Here, I will click put on drawing. For table generation setup, we can select insert new or insert new non-updatable, but now I will select insert new. Column width, I will select calculate automatically. Table style, you also can select another table style and browse it here. Column labels, select include column labels. For the title, I will select include time edit, include project information, and include title line. Here, under layer button, you can click on it and change the layer. But for this one, I'm not gonna change the layer. I will just click cancel. Then you can click OK. I will put this report at this drawing. You just click on the drawing, then you can click close. Here our report. Since we add our date and time and our project information. Next, I will share how to taking out our generate report and place it into a particular file. Here, again, you can go to report tabs here. Under schematic panel, go to reports. Again, you can select components, select project, category schematic, option select on include components, cable marker, connectors, select on fashion project database checkbox, select on installation code to extract all, location code to extract all, and click OK. Now our drawing is AAGS04. Click on AAGS04.wg, then you can click process. After that, you can click on that drawing and click OK. Now for report generator, I will click on add time or date, title lines, project lines, also column labels. Here, I will click on add blanks between entireties. But for this one, I will just click save to file. Here we got a few options. We have ASCII report output, Excel spreadsheet format, Access database format, and others. And for this one, I will select Excel spreadsheet format. Then you can click OK. Now our file will save in documents, and our file's name I will save as COMP as component, and the drawing name as AEGS04. Then you can click save. For this one, you can click close no script, and then you can click close. So you can go to documents, and here is our file. You can double click on it to open. Here is our report in Excel file. I think that's all for today's lesson. Thank you for joining. Hope you learned something new in this lesson, and see you again at the next lesson. Bye-bye.